Assalamualaikum everyone, I'm Hamza Shirazi and it's really nice to see your smiling faces today. I hope you enjoyed the trailer. Basically, the thing is that I have started traveling and I make videos. So I've also started this series called Incredible Pakistan, where I will be going and visiting all the beautiful places and cities in Pakistan and capturing them to show it to you so you guys can go and visit those places too. If you want to see some of the videos which I've posted in Incredible Pakistan series, you can click on this card and you can see those videos. Anyways, if you like the video, you can subscribe to my channel and you can follow me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. All the links are in the video description. I hope to see you guys in the next video. So take care and Allah Hafiz.